this RNG. Oh, this morning I have something for you guys. Normally I should be, having a sad moment, or I should be, squeezing my face like an angry bird because of what had happened. But I was lucky. I put it that way. I was lucky that it wasn't enough to make me sad. So this is New Year 2023, the year, the moment where a lot of people are expecting a lot. People are planning how to go about this year. A lot of people have expectation. We have start making drawing maps how our lives should be like at the end of the year. And it's a new thing because it's very important that as a human being we should have a plan. The year has only 12 months, so we must have to plan how we want to chisel our lives so that we can have a good shape of life. I want to talk about my experience with cryptocurrency. My account was hacked. I trade with Kraken. My account was hacked, and that very day I went somewhere to pick up something I bought. It's a huge bed for my son. So why dealing with all those things, took the truck there, load the stuff. I was receiving alerts on my phone constantly, because I was very busy. So I couldn't do. I thought it's just normal alert. So I did everything I went there to do. I came back home after put everything in the room. I said, okay, let me check my phone. I checked my phone. What I saw was you converted your cryptocurrency. I was having Inu. I didn't buy a Bitcoin or Ethereum. I was having Shiba Inu. I was having Dogecoin and other other coins as well. So all the messages I got was up to 10 notification that says I was converting my cryptocurrency onto Ethereum, which I never did. So, and I was so lucky that the person was able to, he converted everything to Ethereum, but he was able to move only Ethereum worth 40 euro out of my account, while the remaining balance was still there. So I did check my phone then. Maybe before I get here, my account would have been zero. God was so kind to me that this person could not achieve his goal. Though what he did, that's why I said from the beginning that I should be having a swollen face, but I'm not, because it didn't hurt me that much, and I pray that it will never happen to me again. And it's a sad thing, really. It's a sad thing. One thing that also saved me is that I have several accounts. I have a account with Vivid. I have account with Revolt. I have Binance. I have Kraken. I have several accounts. Now I spread my cryptocurrencies around. I didn't put every of the currency in one portfolio. I spread them around. So, and what really happened was, I used to use two-factor notification, this Google authentication on my Kraken. So my phone was having issues. So I removed the two-factor notification, and just for some time. And that moment, that period, I bought a computer from a woman in Germany, a used computer. So I logged into that computer. I did every reset. I logged into the computer with my email address, because that email address, sometimes I usually use it in my Google cloud also. So when I log into my computer with that Google account, so and I didn't check very well that the new computer, the firewall wasn't working. So it wasn't working. So the moment I logged in, the person just got access through that computer into my Kraken account. So that was what happened, and the person did a lot of justice to that. And the moment I discovered this, I wrote to Kraken, my account has been hacked. So instantly, Kraken blocked the account, and they asked me to change password. Change password. It was a lot of work. I have to change password in all of my online account, and I swear enrolled two-factor notification with a Google authentication again, and try my best to secure the account again. So everything was going fine, but the coin is gone. So the ones remaining, I just have to protect it and keep the account going. So my advice to you guys, if you are having account, whatever exchange are you using, the device which you normally use to log into that account, try not to overstress that device. If possible, you can just buy a particular phone. That phone, just know this is one you'll be using to control your cryptocurrency, and secure that phone very well. Don't go into online Google and the rest with it, because through there these people can get access into your account and flush the account. So I hope you're wise, and I hope it won't happen to you. The best lesson is when you learn from people who have already experienced, but don't pray it happen to you. I hope you have a nice day. Stay cool.